Hi, today we discuss mensuration exercise 10.1 sums. Okay, right. See here, first question. A joker cap is in the form of right circular cone. Okay, here joker cap, shape of the joker cap is cone shape. So draw the cone here. Next, whose base radius is 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeter. This is the radius r equal to 7 centimeters. Next, height is 24 centimeter. Then height, vertex to the center to the base, 24 centimeters. So height equal to 24 centimeters. Radius equal to 7 centimeters. Okay. Next, find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Here 10 caps they are asking. First we need to find the area of the sheet required to one cap. Then we need to find 10 such caps. Right. Here cone has a here curved face. Okay. It has a curved face. How much needed to prepare one joker cap? So here we are using curved surface area, right? So CSA of first one, curved surface area of cone equal to pi RL, right? Here radius they have given. L we don't know. L as slant height of the cone. Slant height, how can you find? Already we know the formula. Slant height L equal to h square plus r square. Therefore, L equal to h square means what? 24 centimeters. 24 whole square plus 7 whole square. Next, therefore, L equal to 24. 24s are 24 into 24. Why? Because 24 square means multiplies itself 2 times. Right? Next, 4 4s are 16. 1, 8, 9, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So that 6, 7, 5, 576. So that 576 plus 7 7s are 49. Now you add this 49. 5, 1, 2, 1, 6, 625. So L equal to square root of 625. 625 is the square of 25. Square of 25. So 25 whole square root to cancel. Then L equal to 25 centimeter. This is the slant height of the cone. Now substitute in the formula. That is equal to pi value is 22 by 7 into radius. R is 7 centimeters into L as 25. Centimeter into centimeter square. Here 7 cancel. Under 22 into 25 centimeter square. We need to multiply here. Okay. 25 into 22. 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 5s are 2 2s are 4, 5. Again 50. 0, 5, 5. So the answer is 550 centimeter square. This is sheet for prepare only one joker cap. So we have to find 10 such caps. So that area of the sheet of paper required for 10 such caps. So that area of the paper sheet required for 10 such caps equal to, here one cap, how much sheet required here? 550 centimeter square into how many caps? 10 caps. So that centimeter square. That is equal to here 1 into 550 and add right side to the 0. Simply 5500 centimeters square. Okay, 5500 centimeters square we need to use for 10 such caps. Okay, right. Next, second question. See the second question. A sports company was ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders. What is the shape here? Cylindrical shape. So, cylinder. First draw the cylinder. As per the question we need to draw. Right. Cylinder for packing shuttlecocks. Yes or no? Here shuttlecocks they are packing in the cylindrical box. Right. Now the required dimension of the cylinder are 35 centimeter length or height. Here height how much they have given? 35 centimeters. Next, radius is 7 centimeter. Here these are the radius are equal to 7 centimeters. Find required area of thick paper sheet need to make 100 cylinders. Here they are packing to shuttlecocks to use cylindrical box, right? They are asking 100 cylindrical boxes, right? So first we need to find one box, then we need to find 100. Now here first remember this. Find the required area of the thick paper sheet need to make. Here we are using not only curved. Here packing, seal packing means top bottom also we are counting. So that here we are finding total surface area of the cylinder. So first one, height of second question. Height of the cylinder equal to 35 centimeters. Next, radius of the cylinder. Cylinder is 7 centimeters. Okay, that means height equal to 35 centimeters, radius equal to 7 centimeters. Now, we have to find the total surface area of the cylinder. TSA of cylinder equal to total surface area of the cylinder. Actually, cylinder total surface area means lateral surface area plus here top bottom areas. So that 2 pi r into h plus r. Because see once again here actually CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus two areas, top area and bottom area, 2 pi r square. So that 2 pi r here we have to take the common, h plus r. This is the total surface area. Yes or no? TSA. So now we need to substitute in the given values, height and the radius, right? That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into what are the radius? 7 into height is 35 centimeters plus radius is 7 centimeters. Okay. Now 7 get cancelled here. Okay, that is equal to 22s are 44 into 37 plus 35 plus 7 42 into 42 centimeters square. We need to multiply here 44 into 42. 44 into 42. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Again 4 4s are 16, 1 16, 17. That is equal to 8, 4, 1, 8, 1. So that is equal to 1848 centimeter square. Next, this is for we have to use one cylinder pack we are using the sheet of area of the sheet paper. Okay, 1848. So that how many we have to prepare 10 such cylinders. So that area of the paper sheet requires for 100 such caps, 100 such cylinders. Equal to, here one cylinder we are using 1848 centimeter square sheet into 100. Simply we have to add the zeros to the right side of the number. So when you are multiplying 10 or 100 or 1000, simply we are adding how many zeros to the number. We have to add right side. So 1848 centimeter square, and here this much, this is the centimeter. This much centimeter we have to convert into meters. Actually 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Yes or no? 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. We have to convert a centimeter into meters. So that here centimeter squares are there. So that we have to divide 100 into 100. So 1848 here, right, 1,84,800 centimeters here by 100 into 100. Why? Because we are converting centimeter into meters. So that meter. Here zeros cancel. And how many zeros are there here? 2 zeros. That is equal to 1848 by 100 meter square. That is equal to denominator, it has 100. So 100 means 2 zeros. In the numerator part, we have to use right to left 2 digits, count and keep the decimal point. That is equal to 18.48 meter square sheet of paper requires for 100 cylinders. Okay, once again see here. This is the question. In sports company, they ordered prepare for 100 cylindrical cylinders for packing shuttlecocks. Okay, so one cylinder they are asking 100. Here radius has given or height also has given. We need to find one cylinder. Then we have to find the 100 such cylinders. Now at last here lateral surface area or else total surface, we are getting confusion. Don't get confusion. Why? Because this is seal pack. So total you are using curved surface area and total face, the base area and top area also. So that total surface area we are using here. So total surface area formula we are using and substitute the values. Then here it is in the centimeters. Centimeters convert into meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is 1 by 100. Here centimeter square. So that we have to write the 100 into 100. Right? 2 times. Then cancellation. Finally we got 18.48 meter square. So this much sheet of paper requires for the 100 paper. The question is the third one. Find the volume of right circular cone. Here shape is a cone and with the radius 6 and height is 7. What we need to find the volume we are finding. Simple question this is. So here volume here cone. Radius of the cone is r equal to 6 centimeters and height is 7 centimeters. So that height of the cone equal to 7 centimeters. Radius of the cone equal to 6 centimeter. Simply we are finding volume of the cone. So volume of the cone formula, what is the volume of the cone here? Volume of the cone is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. So that 1/3 volume of cylinder pi r square h. Means here volume of the cone is 1/3 of volume of the cylinder. Simply we know the values, radius and the height. Simply substitute under cancellation. So 1/3 into 22/7 into r square, means r into r we can write. So 6 into 6 into height is 7 centimeter cube. Volumes measure in cubic units. Right. Next. Here 7 gets cancelled and 3 in 6 2 times cancel. That is equal to 22 into 6 2s are 12. Now multiply here 22 into 12, 4, 2, 2. So that 4, 6, 2, 260. That is equal to centimeter cube. That is equal to 264 centimeter cube. So here volume of the cube is 264 centimeter cube. Simple question only, no need to take much time. Right. Next one. Fourth question. The lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to the curved surface area of the cone. Here combination given. Lateral surface area of cylinder. Cylinder is a curved surface area. Okay. So curved surface area of the cylinder equal to curved surface area of the cone. As per the question we are writing. Okay. Curved surface area of cylinder equal to curved surface area CSA of cone. That means here cylinder equal to cone. Okay. Right. Next. Lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to curved surface area of the cone. Next, if radius of their bases are same and both radius also same, that means radius of cylinder equal to radius of the cone. So radius of cylinder equal to radius of cone. Next, radius of the cone. Find the ratio of the height of the cylinder to slant height of the cone. Here no measures. What they said, lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to curved surface area of the cone. Both are equal and the radius also, their radius also equal. Then they are asking find the ratio of the height of cylinder to the slant height of the cone. What we need to find? The height of cylinder equal to slant height of the cone we are finding. This ratio we are finding. Right. Coming to here, curved surface cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder is equal to curved surface area of the cone. So cylinder formula equal to 2 pi RH equal to curved surface area of the cone pi RL. Okay. Right. Here pi r both are cancelled and also that is equal to 2h equal to L. Here height of cylinder, ratio of height of cylinder to the slant height of the cone. So that we are using height is to slant height. Don't use L is to H. Okay. They said clearly ratio of height of cylinder to the slant height of the cone. Height of cylinder L, slant height of the cone is height of cylinder is H, slant height of the cone is L. This ratio we want. So we have to transpose L right to left and H left to right. Then that is equal to, no, we have to transpose L right to left and to left to right. So that H by L equal to, L we are transposing means 1 left here. That is equal to 1 by 2 transposing here into, it becomes by. That is equal to slant height of the cylinder equal to slant height of the cone equal to ratio of height of cylinder is slant height of the cone 1:2 ratio. This only they are asking the question. Next question. Next question is a self-help group wants to manufacture joker caps of 3 centimeter radius and 4 centimeter height. Here also joker cap. Joker cap, this is the shape of cone. Okay, cone shape. Right. Self-help group means they are self-workers. Okay, right. They are manufacturing joker caps. Here radius. Radius how much given? 3 radius. Radius equal to 3 centimeters and the height is given 4 centimeters. Height equal to 4 centimeters. Next, and if the available paper sheet is 1000 centimeters square, here sheet, total sheet they have 1000 centimeter square sheet of paper is there, then how many caps can manufactured? How many caps manufactured from the 1000 centimeter square sheet of paper? Okay, here we need to find the what is that only how much paper required for one sheet means curved surface area, right? So that CSA of cone equal to, what is that? Pi RL. Okay, here height of the cone is 4 centimeters, radius of the cone is 3 centimeters. L we don't know. L is the slant height of the cone. Slant height using letter L. So by using, we know the slant height formula. L equal to square root of h square plus r square. Therefore L equal to square root of h square means 4. 4 square plus 3 square. Therefore L equal to 4 square means 16 plus 3 3s are 9. Therefore L equal to 25. Square root of 25 is the square of 5. So 5 square. Square root to cancel. L equal to 5 centimeters. This is the slant height of the cone. Now substitute here in this. That is equal to 22 by 7 into pi value is 22 by 7. Radius is 3 centimeters into height, slant height, no. Radius and slant height is 5. So here centimeter, curved surface area centimeter square. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 3 5s are 15. 15 in 15 we have to do the division. 15 is divided by 7. 2 times 14, 1, 0. 1 times 1, 7, 7, 3, 0. 4 times. And 2. So here we have to use 22 into 2.14 centimeter square. Now multiply here. 214 into 22. 4 2s are 8. 1 2 2. 2 2s are 4. Again same only, no. 4 2 8. 8 0 1 6 7 and 4. So that how many digits before decimal is there? 2 digits. So that we have to count digits from right to left 2 digits. That is equal to 47.08 means No need to count after the decimal point. 47 centimeter square. Okay, right. Next, this is for one cone, one cap prepared for using 47 centimeter square area of the sheet paper. Okay, now they said 100,000 centimeter square sheet of paper is there. How many you can manufactured with 1000 centimeter square? So that how many caps manufactured from the 1000 centimeter square sheet of paper? Equal to, here 1000 centimeter square, out of how many can one cap for 47 centimeter square sheet you are using 1000. For 1000 how many we can manufacture? So that 1000 by 47. So now do the division here. 1000 is divided by 47. 47 in 1000, 100 two times. First two digits you can, two digit not possible, three digits. So that 47 two times maybe 4, 1, 8, 9, 94. Two times 94 by subtracting 6, 0. So it is 60. In 60 how many times? Again one time. 47 by subtracting 1, 3, again 0 in decimal. So something decimals we are using here. Yes or no? How many times? Maybe again 2 times only. Okay, 94 and subtract up to here enough. Why? Because how many we are means after the decimal, that is the waste of the paper. Okay, so that is equal to 27 centimeter, 27 caps they are using to prepare 1000 centimeters square sheet of the paper. That only they have given the question. Paper sheet, available sheet is 1000 centimeters square. How many caps we can make for this 1000 centimeters square? How many? 21 caps. Right. Next. Next one, sixth question. A cylinder and a cone have bases of equal radius and equal heights. Here cylinder a cylinder have the cone have means radius of the cylinder equal to radius of the cone. Okay, and show that their volumes are in the ratio 3:1. They said here, clear question, cylinder and the cone have the same base of equal radius and the same heights. So that height of cylinder equal to height of the cone, height of radius equal to height of the radius of the cone. So that here, sixth one, height of the cylinder equal to height of the cone, and the radius of both are equal. Radius equal, heights also equal. So radius of the cylinder equal to radius of the cone. Then show that their volumes are in the ratio. So what volumes are in the ratio? Cylinder and the cone volumes we have to show in the ratio. So volume of the cylinder is volume of cylinder. How much? What is the volume of cylinder? base area into height, no? So pi r square h. And the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 of volume of cylinder. That means 1/3 pi r square h. Here only we have to say the simply. Why? Because volume of cylinder is 1/3 of volume of the cone is 1/3 of volume of the cylinder. Here ratio is cylinder to the cone. Cone. Okay. So 3:1. Simply we can. So that ratio of their volumes equal to, first one here, 5r square h is to 1/3 pi r square h. Pi r square h both are cancelled. Okay, that is equal to 1:1/3. That means 1 equal to 1/3. By doing the cross multiplication, that is equal to 3:1. It is proved. Okay, so that 3:1 ratio. Is it correct only? Next question. 7th one. The shape of solid iron rod. Iron rod is in the cylindrical shape and its height is 11 centimeters. Next question is 7th one. Cylinder, no? Cylinder. Height of cylinder. Height of cylinder is 11 centimeters. Means height equal to 11 centimeters and the base diameter is 7. Diameter means diameter equal to 2 into radius. That means radius equal to here diameter. D equal to 7 centimeter. Then find the radius. Radius equal to diameter by 2. That is equal to 7/2. Therefore, radius equal to 3.5 centimeters. Height is 11 centimeter. Next question. Next. Then find the total volume of the 50 such rods. Here we need to find height has given and diameter means radius also given. We need to find the first volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder we need to find. Then we have to find one volume of the cylinder we need to find. Then 50 such rods we are finding. Right. Next. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder, base area into height, no? Base area pi r square h. This is the volume of the cylinder. That is equal to pi value 22/7 into radius 3.5. We have to write a square means 3 times. 3.5 into 3.5 into height is 11 centimeters. So here volume means cubic units. Cubic centimeter. Right. Next. By doing cancellation, 7 table in 3.5 5 times means 0.5. That is equal to 22 into 0.5 into 3.5 into 11 centimeter cube. First we need to multiply these two, then we need to multiply these two. Right? So 3.5 into 0.5. 5 5s are 25 to 15 is 17 0 0. Therefore 571. So one digit way for decimal, no? That is equal to, and next 22 into 11 also we need to multiply. 22 into 11. 2 2 again 2 2 2 4 2. That is equal to 242 into 117.5 centimeter cube. Again these two we need to multiply. Okay. 242 into 17.5. We have to multiply here. 5 2s are 10, 1. 5 4s are 20, 21. Again 2. 2 5s are 10, 12. Again 7 2s are 14, 1. 7 4s are 28, 29. 2. 7 2s are 14, 14, 16. Again, my 1 with multiply with any number itself only, no? So I have to write 2, 4, 2. That is equal to 0, 5, 4, 13, 1, 10, 12, 1, 4. So how many decimal places are there here? 1, no? So we need to keep there. That is equal to 4235 centimeter cube. This is for volume of one cylinder. They are asking 50 such cylinders. So we need to multiply volume of one cylinder into 50 cylinders. So we need to multiply with the 50. Therefore, that is equal to 50 such rods, no? Cylinders equal to 4235 into 500 centimeter square, centimeter cube. Okay, so we need to multiply. Finally, we get the answer is here. 7th question, 21,175 centimeter cube. If you multiply, simply we have to multiply. 5 5s are 25, 5. Okay, later we have to add the 0 to the right side. 25 and 2 here. Again 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 7, 17, 1 here, 7, 5 2s are 10, 11, 1 here, 1, 5 4s are 20, 21. Okay, simply this is the how many 50 such cylinders, how many we have to? 21,175 centimeter cubes. Next, 8th question. A heap of rice is in the form of cone of cone. Okay, means rice storing bags. Here heap of the rice is in the form of cone. So here shape is a cone. Okay, next, cone of diameter is 12 meters. Here total, this is the diameter. D equal to 12 centimeters and height 8 centimeters. Meters are meters, not centimeters. Meters. Here height of the cone is what is that? 8 meters. 8 meters. Next, diameter means diameter equal to 12. Radius equal to diameter by 2. Radius we need to find. So radius equal to diameter by 2. That is equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6. Therefore, radius equal to 6 meters. Height equal to 8 meters. Height of the cone 8 meters. Radius of the cone 6 meters. Then find its volume. First, what we have to find? Find its volume. First, volume. Then, how much canvas cloth required to cover the heap? Why? Because rice bags means we have to what is that? Use the protection. Okay, canvas we are using. So that here curved surface area we are using there. Right. So first, what we have to find? The volume we are finding. Later, curved surface area. So that volume of the cone. Volume of the cone, volume 1/3 of the cylinder. Okay. So that 1 by 3 pi r square h. Already we know here radius and height. That is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r is 6. R square means 2 times area period. Into height is 8. Volume in centimeters cube. Meters units no meter cube. So any cancellation here? Next 20. What is left over? 22 by 7. 6 are 12. 12 8 are 96 into 96 meter cube. Here simply we have to write 22 by 7 value 3.14. Yes or no? That is equal to 3.14 into 96 meter cube. We need to multiply now. 314 into 96. That is equal to 6 4s are 24. 6 1 6 8 18 6 3s are next 9 4s are 36 3 1 9 9 12 1 9 3s are 27 28. That is equal to 4. If you add 4 here 1 11 here 0 1 3. How many decimals are there? 2. So here we have to use it. That is equal to 301.44 meter cube. This is the volume of the cone. Okay. First they are asking find the volume of the cone. Next, how much volume of the cone over. Next, how much canvas cloth required to cover the hip. Means here we have to use the total covering for covering no. So that curved surface area we are using the formula. So CSA of cone equal to pi RL. Here L we don't know. L is the lateral surface. L is slant height of the cone. Okay, slant height of the cone L equal to square root of h square plus r square. Okay, so that L equal to h square means 8. Height of the cone is 8. So that 8 8 are 64 plus radius of the cone 6. So 6 6 are 36. That is equal to L equal to square root of 64 plus 36 100. 100 is square of 10. 10 square. Square root to cancel, that is equal to 10. So here L equal to slant height of the cone equal to 10 measures in meters, no? 10 meters. Okay, right. Now substitute here. That is equal to pi value 22 by 7 into radius 6 into slant height 10 meters square. Because curved surface area. Okay, right. Now here also that is equal to 22 by 7 value. What is that? 3.14 into 6 tens are 60 meter cube. Simply multiply here. 3.14 into 6. 6 4s are 24. 2 6 8 18. How many decimals before here? 0 to the right side. Why? Because 6 to 16. That is equal to 1884 0. How many decimal places are there? 2. So that is equal to 1884.